I have the O Cedar scrub, all right, that it comes with this ball, and it's time for me to upgrade the mop here, and that's why I've got this scrub. I'm going to install it. It's supposed to be like compatible with it, so let's do that. Let's remove this old rusty one. I have removed the mop head, and now I'm going to install this one, and all you need to do is just like tuck it in. That's it. Look at this. I love that. Okay, I'm going to try it right now. So here is it, using it as we normally do. Alright, and then I'm gonna scrub the floor. Oh wow, this is amazing, especially if you have like stains on the floor. It will scrub, especially like the lines between the tiles. Oh wow, look at this. So need some more water, and then turn it here. Awesome, look at this. And then you can use the mop, I guess, to kind of give it mopping, but you really need to use this brush because it scrubs away everything that is greasy and stuck onto your flooring, especially if you have tile floor like me, especially if it's the kitchen as well. It's really hard to clean, but with this one it's super easy. Look at this, for example, and these stains here gone. Okay, I think this is really amazing scrub for your O Cedar. If you're looking for something like that, I do highly recommend this. It scrubbed away all the grease that was stuck on my kitchen floor. Love it. Beautiful, sturdy, and you can remove it using this one here. Just push it out, it will be removed very easily. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Cheers.